Welcome back to the Loadout Lounge. My name is Seth Nichols, and today we're doing a blind Temu reaction of my wife. And we'll see if I did okay buying her stuff. So the original one, the first one, she bought me stuff, and I did a blind review reaction of everything that she bought. She did okay. I'm hoping I can beat her, or at least she will find a couple of things that she likes. So let's see her reactions.
Alright, let's see what Seth got me. I guess it matters. Okay. USB barbecue lighter. Oh, okay. So basically like a stick one lighter that I can recharge in my favorite color, blue. That's kind of cool. I like that. Oh my goodness, what is this? It doesn't say anything, it just says made in China. All of it is. So, maybe a knife? Oh. Okay. Oh, wow. Well. It's definitely a knife, that's for sure. Dang, it's big. Okay. I feel like this is a camp knife. So, yeah. It's definitely a camp knife. Shockingly, that fits in my hand. But I mean, yeah, it's big. Like, this is huge. I would never just, like, carry this around, ever. Never, ever. And it has, like, a clip. You could clip it to a belt. I don't really wear belts anymore. I used to. But it's been a long time since I have. I guess, like, back when I was a cop. Probably last time. And then it's got this, Huh. Is it a whistle? Shh. Okay, I kind of think that's a whistle. Shh. If it is, it's crap. And then I think this is to start a fire, like sparks. Pretty sure that ferro rod or something. So, I actually kind of like this. This is cool. I don't know. I guess I would take it camping or something. That's cool. I like it. That's neat. Just for comparison, by the way, I know I thought I was done with this, but like this is the knife, whatever, and this is like a knife I actually carry on me. So the size difference is massive, but I do like it though. It's kind of heavy, but you know, for whatever, chopping sticks or something, camping, it's good. What is this? What is that? Oh my gosh, it's some kind of compass? I don't know. Let's just open it. Oh my god. Oops. I don't know what this is. Okay. It's got a lanyard and a cord. But for what? What is this? Some kind of compass. I can see that. But what is this other part? Flashlight? The tag is like covering what the box says it is, so I don't know. Okay, this one says LED flashlight. Okay, so maybe it's just a flashlight with a compass on it. I don't know. That's rechargeable because there was a cord with it. Oh, okay. That was stupid. Lights up already. It's definitely rechargeable or something. How do I turn? Oh, okay, it strobes. Cool. Now it's off. It says push. How do I open this? Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm assuming this is a lighter, but how do I don't really know. Maybe it's not a lighter. What is that? Look at that. It looks like a lighter, right? I don't know. Okay, there's a little USB port thing, or USB-C. And then a compass, which is cool. But what is this? It's gotta be a lighter. But how do you light it? I don't know. I'll ask Seth about that. He probably knows. I feel like I'm not understanding this one completely. It does more than what I realize it does. Alright, I'm just gonna cut it. That's fine. Maybe. Oh. Okay. It's a little neck knife. Oh, whoops. There's a little chain. Oh, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Say it's cool. I can't get it out. My hands are cold right now. It's kind of getting cold out here. Oh my god. This is embarrassing. I can't get it out. But I get the gist, right? It's a little bitty neck knife. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my hands are cold. Well, anyways, I like the color a lot. Seth has one similar, but it's blue, so maybe that's why he got green. I don't think it's the exact same, though. The knife part in here looks different. I like it. I will test this out later once I can feel my fingers. Color-wise, though, A+. It's one of my favorite colors. Oh, I gotta open a whole other bag. Okay. So Seth has been trying to get me more into EDC stuff, and I'm doing a little bit better. Like, I'm actually carrying a knife now and stuff, not every day, maybe like every other day, but it's more than I was doing. I used to do it all the time, back when I was a cop, but I don't know, I just, lifestyle kind of changed, and I just have not been carrying enough. Okay, pins. There's just some camo, blue, green, white pins. I think they're pins, unless they're markers. Yeah, it's just a pin. Cool. Rolo seems like he will probably steal those from me. Okay, what is this? Blue hematite. What is hematite? Okay. Bracelet? Oh, it's called. I think it's just bracelet, right? I think so. It's not bad. For my wrist, kind of large. It'd probably fall off. But, it's cute. I don't know. You got my favorite color, right? So, bead bracelet, I guess. Not bad. Not my favorite. I don't hate it. What the heck is this? My guess is this is a toy. Yep, it is. Okay. It's like a fidget toy, I mean. Not just like a random toy. Okay. Oh, okay. That's funny. Okay, nice. I don't know what it says. It says Evangelion battle knife. And then some Chinese letters on it. And then, you just push that. What do they call this? It's not an automatic knife. I don't know. It's one of those little front looking knives from the front. I don't really, in real life knives, I don't really like those. But for a toy, whatever. It's another pin. This one looks heavier duty than the other things. Maybe those are markers. No, never mind. They weren't. They were markers. I tried it. It was a pin. So, which Seth really likes pins a lot more than I do. There we go. Oh gosh. Okay, yeah. This one's kind of heavy. metal, I think. And then I guess it. Okay, I don't know how it works. Oh, okay. There's a button. I guess to make it go in or out, whatever. But then over here it says red, black, blue, 0.5. I don't know how you change those settings. I'm assuming those are different settings on this pin. I don't know. How does that work? I have no idea. Okay, so seemingly this has settings, but I don't know. The clip itself is plastic, I'm pretty sure, so I'll probably break that. Maybe not. Water bottle. I do love water bottles. Okay, blue lid. There's like a lid. Oh, the whole thing's blue. Whoa. This is cool. I've not seen one like that. What in the world? Huh. Well, how do you open it? You just... Okay, you can lock it or unlock it, but you just pull it? I'm confused. How do I open it? Okay, inside I can see like a little lanyard, I guess, that you can attach to here. I think here. How does that... What in the world? It's kind of cool though. I don't know. It's small, like it fits in my hand. It's very rectangular-ish. Got my favorite color right. It's always... Oh! Okay, so it's a lock and also a button. Okay, and then a little sippy sip there. That's cool. Okay, I like that. I've not seen anything like that. Okay, I know exactly what this is because I got him this same exact thing when I ordered him Temu stuff a while back. And he kept his, he liked it, so it's a little pry bar. Same color and everything. You can't cheat and get me the same stuff, Seth. Okay, what is this? It's just bracelets? Oh, it says hairbands. Okay. For my hair. Yo-yo hairband. Are they actually like... Yeah, it's right there. See if I can get one off. Oh, okay. It's like a double. Okay, not bad. This is, looks like normal hairbands. So, something you'd get at Walmart or wherever. Not bad. I can use those. Okay. Last thing, my guess is this is a hat. Right? He knows I love hats, like, obviously. So, makes sense. Oh, yeah. Cool. Don't judge me for my hair. Been hiking and camping all day. Okay. Yeah. Yep, this is right up my alley. Real quick. Ooh, and the inside is like that fuzzy material, so it'll be warm. Which is also right up my alley. So cool. Okay. He got me a lot of stuff. I don't know. This seems like a lot more than what I had ordered a while back, but pretty good. I like the majority of it. I'll probably use, I don't know, 50 to 70% of this stuff. Like, there's a couple things that, like, in everyday life I probably wouldn't actually use. My son's gonna end up with this, but he'll like it. That's all that matters. But yeah, I got, let's see what all it actually is, because it seems like a lot. Maybe it's not. Hat, which I'll probably wear that in a minute. Hat, toy, fidget toy, nice pen, I think. This one I'll for sure use in a minute. I don't know if in a minute, but we're camping and we're using a wood stove, so I could use it. Bracelet, not bad. Hair hair ties. I use them pretty much every day. I pretty much always have a couple on my wrist, so it makes sense. Pins / markers, which they seem like wouldn't be a big deal if you lost one kind of pins, you know? I don't want to say cheap, but like kind of. This was that really big camp knife. This is the thing that I'm still not sure. I'm assuming it's a lighter. I'll have to ask him on that. But I'm pretty sure that's a flashlight, compass, and a lighter. I don't know what else it'd be. Water bottle, which is kind of neat. And then, let's see if I can. Okay, yeah. So, neck knife, very small knife. I mean, I could put that anywhere. I don't really wear boots anymore, but I would say that, like, if I wore boots, you could even slide that in your boot or something. Little pry bar. Might start using that. I don't know. And yeah, I think that's it. This is just the little cord to the little flashlight thing. Awesome. Sweet. Well, I think Seth did pretty good. And honestly, a lot of this stuff is stuff I would keep or I would actually use. So, not bad, Temu. Not bad. I have yet to be really disappointed with Temu, so with anything, I've ordered different stuff from there. But yeah, cool. Good job, Seth. This might be my favorite thing, even though it's not something I'll use every day, but yeah, I will use it on adventures. Hey.
How'd I do?
Good. I just got done.
What was your favorite thing?
I was just saying, I think maybe this.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah. Or, honestly, maybe the hat.
I knew it.
And the water bottle is kind of cool.
Yeah,
Different. Yeah,
I knew it was cool.
Yeah. What is this?
It is a compass.
I knew that. How do you light it, though, is what I was trying to... Oh.
It's an electric lighter. So you push this button right here.
Yeah.
And it's just like that red
You were
one
just
you got
pushing
me.
that button?
Yeah.
That's all you did?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
And it kind of lights up and...
I don't know if you can see that, but... I was saying I thought it was a lighter, but I couldn't figure out how to do it.
I thought it was pretty cool.
It
It was pink and blue,
I know,
kind of
it's
girly
neat.
looking.
Yeah.
It was really hard to find anything girly, except, I mean, the hair scrunchies and the hat and different stuff like that. But as far as, like, knives and multi-tools, it was all geared towards the dudes.
Yeah.
And this thing I thought was...
I know. I already said Rollo will be skilling that, I'm sure.
But fidget toy. And then they had different colors of this.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't get that thing open. Like, I have yet to open it. Okay, well now I feel better.
I'm just trying not to stab myself.
Okay. Yeah, I couldn't get it open earlier. Okay.
Flip it around.
Huh.
It's like it's sharpened on one side, but I figured it'd be a cool little, like, letter opener, box opener, or something.
Yeah.
It is a little stiff in there, ain't it?
Yeah. I couldn't get it. I just thought it was me.
It is definitely not.
Well, that makes me feel better. Is this stick
There we go.
a, like, fire starter thing?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Sorry, I got a coon finger and stuff. I haven't gotten to see it yet.
Is this, like, change settings or no? Why does it have... You see that? Like, it doesn't look like it changes, but why does it say the different things then? I don't know.
Oh, it does.
It does?
That's a pencil.
Oh. Oh my
Mechanical
gosh.
pencil.
Has a pencil? Is that what the 0.5 is?
And that's red.
Oh, it does change. Wait, how are you changing it?
I'm just... Each time it's going to a different one.
Oh.
Yeah. It changes different colors.
That's cool. And this was under $100?
Yeah, it was significantly under. I'll have to look and we'll annotate how much I actually spent because I honestly don't remember. It's been a couple weeks now, so.
Cool.
But.
It's not bad. Thanks for my stuff.
You're welcome. Yeah, a bunch of y'all were saying that we should do a blind opening for her, so hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all came up with some ideas potentially for your significant other. It's kind of hard, like I said earlier, it's kind of hard to find something for the women, so Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.